Why don't people listen to us when we are saying for the last 4 years use biodiesel, Jetropa?
Sure, there is a lot of potential in not only in biodiesel, in wind, in solar, even in geothermal. In Pakistan has a lot of potential in all these.
What is stopping? I mean, you people are so capable here. I just met three capable people, one major, one mechanical engineer, another mechanical engineer, and Dr. Saab, mashallah, all this.
Actually, I think the policies, the government policies has to be very favorable. This renewable policy was just released in 2006. So only the renewable policy for the wind, or was for the renewable policy. It was from the government in 2006, and in 2007 we started this work. So it took some time, of course, for all the wind data and all the designing. So now you can see we are here in 2011 with
2012.
With 2011 we started this construction, and now 2012 you can see the construction is almost
So that
complete.
means that the engineers here do not have a voice. Why don't they say, look, we are capable of doing this work, let us do it? Why don't they, as a group, make a statement and say, the lawyers are on the roads, the doctors are on the roads, you engineers, what are you wearing bangles?
No, we are doing a lot of work. In the power sector, of course, the job is, I think, a little bit slow, especially in the renewable sector. But at least in the power sector, the engineers are working.
No, you didn't answer my question. I have seen...
you mean that the engineers should come on road? Or
some strike or some conference, something like that?
I think it's not a better option. We have a lot of voice. We have...
What voice? You just said that, in 1 year, this is what we did.
Yeah, of course.
Why are you keeping this country poor then?
Well, I think it's mainly the policies has to come from the government. Favorable policies from the government and from the engineers also, of course.
I'm hearing you, but not accepting what you are saying. What do you say about this, Dr. Saab?
Well, I think it's a very complex problem, and I think engineers basically are technical trained. They are not politically trained, so they do their work from a technical point of view, and they give.
Are they lazy?
No, they're not lazy. They're not lazy. I don't think engineer. I'm myself an engineer. No, we are not lazy. And you're also an engineer, you know that also. He did his engineering from UET.
The thing is,
Salim,
I never did anything, Dr. Saab. I don't do anything.
I think
I didn't do anything. No, the question is, there is a more important thing. Here in Pakistan, I see so many of you guys who are so capable. But why is there no result? Why do the engineers blame other people? Why don't they say we
are not blaming. I think there is a lot of awareness has to come even to the financial sector also. Because the next, after the policy, I think the next sector is the financial sector. And that is also, the financial sector in Pakistan is also not very much aware.
Sayyid Saab, do you have light 24/7 in your house every day?
No.
No. Do you have light in your house 24/7?
You mean power, electricity?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Now you are getting hurt.
Of course.
And you are still sitting and not doing anything.
I think we are not sitting and not doing anything. We are doing something.
Something.
Of course, it is
Are
very
you
small.
satisfied with your performance of your industry and your...
I think the job is small. There is a lot of work has to be done now.
So what is stopping?
The policies, the financial awareness, the financial institution has to come forward also. The government people has to come forward also.
Why are you not saying that we will do it? Why are you saying other...
If I had money in my pocket, then I would do it. You know that nothing can be done for free. Engineers are there to provide technical solutions, not to bring in investment. We are there, of course, everybody is there. They are doing so many engineers, they are doing the work. But to bring in a plant, it's not an engineer's work. Engineer, of course, they do the construction, but it's from investment point. Some businessman, some investor, they have to, or the government, they have to make.
Why do people in Pakistan always say the government?
Everywhere, where else?
No. In America, the government does not.
In America, they make policies. Government do their work.
They have a supportive
Investor
policy.
brings in the money.
Okay. This is right. This is so.
First, we need a supportive policy.
Wait, Sayyid Sahab.
Okay.
You just said something very important. That the government does not do the work, it just makes the policy. Right?
Policy, it is one of the major job of government to make policy. A supportive
Have
policy.
you studied the alternative energy policy of Pakistan? Have you done it?
Yeah.
Have you studied it?
Yes.
Completely? So,
I think
and
Zishan was involved actually somehow.
No, not in the policy, of course,
Okay.
but when you start a project, you first study what is the policy.
so you have studied the policy and you know the policy. So it is there. So what are you complaining?
See,
Policy, sir, is there.
Okay, so the policy is there.
This policy is there. It is very nicely written, of course.
Okay.
But on the ground, you see, there is no infrastructure. You have come from a road which was very bumpy. You can see.
No, I understand.
The grid is not
No,
available.
fine.
You see this grid. This was installed just 6 months
Okay.
back, and still we don't have now grid power.
Okay.
So the grid has to be there. The infrastructure has to be there.
Okay,
the road has to be
let's
there.
go. Let's go back.
There
Let's
is
go
no
first. Fine.
water here.
Sayyid
We
Sahab,
have to
let's go
arrange
back.
for
Let's
water.
go back to the policy
So it's
issue.
not only policy.
The government is out. The government is out.
One factor, sir. Policy is one factor.
No. Wait.
The second is the infrastructure.
Wait, sir. You said government makes the policy, and you said the policy is there.
policy is there. That's why you see this plant. So many people.
Yeah,
working
policy
on.
was there in 2006, and then we started the work.
Okay, so that the government is
now
not
we
at
are-
fault. The government is not at fault then. It is the engineers
The
who are at fault.
government is only at fault because of the late policy. Only in 2006, the renewable energy, as Mr. Doctor told us, that they are working for since I think 20 years back.
So
But, now we have
you
only from 2006 we have this policy.
okay.
So we have started the work from 2007. But it's not only the policy, then there has to be many other things also, the infrastructure or the ground situation, you see, everything has to be in favor of investment, the investors.
Sayyid Sahab, how many prophets were sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?
You cannot count, I think, countless.
Dr. Sahab, how many?
Countless.
They say about 124,000 prophets, ballpark. 1,24,000 पैगंबर भेजे.
Nearly, yes. Yeah.
Okay. And our belief is that no more prophet is going to come. That is what Khatamul
The last prophet is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
right? So no prophet is going to come to Pakistan,
Of course.
right? So that means the policy is there. Now it is up to us to do the work.
Of course, sir, of course.
Right.
The companies should come, the investors should come, the engineers are here, there is no shortage of